Hi and good day to all of you. I'm Jericho Orgico from BS Green 3 Kilo. And now let's talk about juvenile justice system. Juvenile justice system of law, policies and procedures intended to regulate the processing and treatment of non-adult offenders for violations of the law to provide legal remedies that protect their interests in situations of conflict and neglect, and also to provide public safety are skills development, rehabilitation addressing treatment needs, and successful reintegration of youth into the community. Let's move forward the similarities. Common objectives, protection of juveniles. The focus of both acts is on safeguarding and welfare, the rights of minors who are legal trouble. Both place more emphasis on youth rehabilitation and reintegration than on punitive measures in an effort to deter future offenses and foster positive growth. The important clauses, diversion program. Both statutes promote the employment of diversion program, which emphasize alternative strategies like education, community service, and counseling to keep young people out of the formal criminal system whenever feasible. Next, the age consideration. By setting precise age requirements for young offenders, both laws guarantee that those who are younger receive help and treatment that is suitable for their development stage. Organizational assistance systematic framework to assist the juvenile justice process both status create extensive system that involve a range of stakeholders, including social workers, probation officials, and community organizations. The data and research to help guide policy decision and boost the system efficiency. Both acts encourage the guaranteeing of data and research on juvenile justice system. Related topics are child-centered method, child-friendly procedures. Both laws guarantee that procedures are kid-friendly, upholding the rights and dignity of minors, while offering them competent legal counseling and assistance. These parallels shows that developing fierce, compassionate, and efficient juvenile justice system is a goal. For the further information, the juvenile justice system and criminal justice system, also known as the adult justice system, is two different systems. The juvenile justice system is children who are under the age of 18 years old. After the age of 18, it is considered to be an adult. It will enter through the adult justice system. There are 8 states that allows youth to stay in juvenile justice system from the age of 18 until 21 years old. The main difference between the juvenile justice system and criminal justice system is rehabilitation and parole. The juvenile justice system main focus is rehabilitation than adult justice system. The juvenile court judge look for the best option that will protect the community and treatment that youth needs. That's all. Thank you.